Hall of Famer Carl Yastrzemski throwing out the first pitch for the Red Sox home opener, as the Sox still looking for their first win of the season, hoping to get it against their arch rivals, the New York Yankees. Robinson Cano in the first inning gets the Sox off to a bad start off of John Lackey. This is a two-run double, and the Yankees strike first, grab that 2-0 lead. How would the Red Sox respond? Well, in the bottom of the inning, pretty well. Dustin Pedroia, the solo blast, his first of the year, comes off Phil Hughes, and the Red Sox on the board, though still trailing 2-1. Now 3-2 Yanks in the bottom of the second, 2 on for Pedroia.
Now he lines one to left center. In comes Granderson. It'll fall for a hit. One run is in. Here comes another. And Dustin Pedroia will move up as the ball gets away. The Red Sox have taken a 4-3 lead.
Pedroia with a 3-hit, 3 RBI day, and the fact that he moved up was important. Adrian Gonzalez goes opposite field against the shift. Pedroia hustling all the way and able to slide in safely, part of a 5-run inning for the Red Sox. Top 4, Sox up 6-4 now, and look at Carl Crawford. Nice sliding grab against Curtis Granderson, hoping to make up for an 0-for-5 at the plate on this day. Top 5, now a 6-5 ball game, and Alex Rodriguez knocks things up. His third of the season, ties the game at 6. Lackey gives up 6 runs in 5 innings of work. Bottom 5, 2 on for Jared Saltalamacchia.
Ortiz takes off as Saltalamacchia lifts it to left. Off the wall. From third comes Youkilis. Red Sox will take a 7-6 lead. Jared Saltalamacchia drives in the go-ahead run.
It seemed like it would take 20 runs to win this game, but that was not the case. The number was only 9. In the bottom of the 7th, a 2-run single for J.D. Drew puts the Red Sox ahead 9-6. Then in the 9th inning, Jonathan Papelbon, he did the job on this day, able to earn the save, strikes out Brett Gardner here, and then Derek Jeter would go down as well. Sox victorious 9-6. They earn their first win of the season to snap a 6-game skid to start things off. The bullpen superb behind John Lackey with 4 scoreless innings of 1-hit ball.